How to block channels on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily block any channel on YouTube. So if you don't want to see a particular channel on your YouTube feed, you will have to block them. And for that, you first have to find the channel that you want to block. So just scroll down, and here, once you find the channel that you want to see, that you don't want to see, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this option, three dots right besides the video, and then you can just tap on not interested. And what you can also do is, if you don't want that particular channel to show up on the video, or if you don't want that particular person, just tap on don't recommend channel. And if you want to go a step further, then what you want to do is go ahead and visit their channel like this, and on the top right you will find the three dots icon. And once you tap on this hide user from my channel, then it won't allow them to like, share, comment, or do anything to your channel or videos that you post. So your channel or your videos will be completely hidden from this user. Go ahead and tap on this one, and then tap on hide user. Now they won't be able to interact with you in any way. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.